KitchenAid Classic Fruit Slicer. This KitchenAid Classic Fruit Slicer is a reliable and efficient tool for slicing fruits with ease. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this product has proven to be a valuable addition to any kitchen. The dimensions of this fruit slicer are 4.76 inches in length, 0.61 inches in width, and 7.01 inches in height. Made from durable plastic, it ensures longevity and easy maintenance. The vibrant red color adds a touch of style to your kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this slicer is its grip handle, which provides excellent control and stability during use. This is especially important when dealing with slippery fruits, ensuring safety while slicing. The KitchenAid Classic Fruit Slicer is recommended for various uses, primarily focused on slicing vegetables. However, it excels in effortlessly slicing a wide range of fruits as well. From apples to pineapples.
Primarily focused on slicing vegetables. However, it excels in effortlessly slicing a wide range of fruits as well. From apples to pineapples,